Welcome to all of you. In this video, we will know about the historical novel. So, historical novel is one of the most popular branch of the literary genre of fiction in all countries. The writers all over the world have written historical novels successfully. In a way, every novel is a story and every story a history. But by historical novel, we mean only such novels which have some historical background. It is not easy to give a precise definition of historical novel, though it is considered a recreation of life of the ages in an imaginative manner, dealing primarily with human character and interested in showing the life and manners of the age. M. H. Abrams, in his book A Glossary of Literary Terms, says the historical novel takes its setting and some of its characters and events from history. The term is usually applied only if the historical milieu and events are fairly elaborated, developed, and important to the central narrative. The first sign of historical background is to be noticed in the Gothic novels. These novels with the romantic urge have their root in sentiment of horror and the sense of mystery in their theme, usually describing some tragic episode connected with some past family or building, etc. This origin of the historical novel has been traced in the novels of Horace Walpole, Clara Reeve, and Mrs. Anne Radcliffe. But Walter Scott is universally acknowledged as the father of historical novel in the English language. He is the great artist and the great creator of this form of fiction. He blended fact, fiction, fancy, history, and romance in a harmonious balance. Referring to the handling of historical novel by Scott, George Lucas in the historical novel says, what matters therefore in the historical novel is not the retelling of great historical events. What matters is that we should re experience the social and human motives which led man to think, feel, and act just as they did in historical reality. Through this manner of human historical portrayal, Scott makes history alive. So, the influence of Walter Scott can be felt in every province of the literature of his age. The new school of French historians formed itself under the influence of the Scottish novelist. He showed them entirely new sources which had so far remained unknown despite the existence of the historical drama of Shakespeare and Goethe. The most famous novels of Sir Walter Scott were The Monastery, The Bride of Lammermoor, Quentin Durward, Ivanhoe, etc. And in this field, Walter Scott's the first successor was Mrs. Anna Eliza Bray, who is famous for her Protestants. Horace Smith was another name, then Bulwer Lytton, then Charles Kingsley, then Charles Reade, Reade, Reid, Charles Dickens, William Makepeace, then Arthur Conan Doyle, then Stanley Weyman, then Maurice Havlet are the remarkable name in the field of historical novel. This wonderful literary genre did not find much favor in the 20th century. However, J. Z. Farrell, William Golding, T. H. White, Robert Graves, Georgette Hare, Nomi Mitchison, and some others tried their hands at the form with mixed success. So this is all about the historical novel. I hope you will like about this facts of historical novel. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and share this video as much as you can. Thanks a lot once again for watching this video.